My name is Shannon Hughes, and I'm going to be going over the impacts of fitness on brain health. So, how exercise changes the brain is it can reduce stress, reduce the chances of degenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's, dementia, delay brain aging, improves memory and cognitive processes. It can increase attention, and the article that I chose mentions people who exercise regularly perform better on memory tests. And it also positively impacts mental health. And through brain-derived neurotrophic factor, exercise increased new neurons grow, brain cells survive. So lack of neuron death is very important when it comes to cognitive degenerative diseases. So in this study by Chapman, 2013, it's a 12-week-long study. Participants are 57 to 75 years old. They're randomly assigned groups. There's a control group where it's just stretching and toning, so kind of more normal activity, and aerobic exercise group. So that's one where they exercise 3 times a week. It's moderate to vigorous intensity, which is gradually increased depending on each individual. Higher cardiovascular fitness supports brain health. Studies showed that better memory, improved executive function, stronger brain connectivity, which is the communication between the brain regions, and increased blood flow for healthier neurons, which can help with the degenerative diseases, to have less of a risk of those. And it measured by using brain MRIs, cognitive functions, and memory tests. So neurogenesis, exercise increases neurogenesis and increases plasticity in the brain, which is also very important. So growing new brain cells and neurons, aka neurogenesis, makes brain more adaptable and better at learning new information. Muscle synthesis affecting neurotransmission in different parts of the brain, which impacts pathway leading to modifications of genes, which is also can be important for brain health in general. Endurance and resistance training have shown to have the biggest impact of increased neurogenesis. So incorporating fitness, which is an article that we went over in class as well from the Mayo Clinic. So you typically should start slow, so no more than 10% a week from what you're starting at. Try to incorporate it in daily routine. Allow time for recovery, proper nutrition. 2 days of strength training is recommended, and 150 to 300 minutes of moderate aerobic exercise per week has been shown to have the strongest correlation on brain health. And then here are my references. Thank you.